Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the app management. Just tap on it. Here let's enter special access and tap on install unknown apps, which is at the top of the list. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app, in my case Chrome, and then tap on this switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content, and be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. And of course you can also always remove previously granted permissions, so simply enter the app and tap on this switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.